Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, you're going to learn how to start a shoe store on Shopify with Doba Dropshipping. $0 up front, never touch a product. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that with dropshipping, and it's by far the best business model online today. You get to sell hundreds of different products, thousands of different products. You just have to pick your niche. In this case, I'm going to show you how to start a shoe store, but you can sell products like yoga products, electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items. There's so much more, and you're never going to have to touch the inventory. You're never going to have to pay for it up front. You're not going to have any risk. You're not going to have warehouse. You're not going to have any employees. You're not going to have to deal with shipping logistics or tracking numbers. Zero upfront cost. Never deal with shipping. I'll show you exactly how to do it. And we're done with doing it the old way, right? The old way is going to a wholesale provider and having a lot of risk, right? Paying for things up front, storing them in a warehouse, dealing with shipping. We're not going to do that. We're going to use Shopify and Doba. And basically, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step in this video. You'll have the Doba dropshipping app in your Shopify store. You'll be able to add products from Doba into your store, and then just like any other product in any store online, customers will be able to come and purchase that product, and they'll pay you for those products. And this is that light bulb moment in your head. You say, okay, I get to sell products that I never have to touch, and I get to get the money up front from my customers. And makes it even better, automatically Doba then steps in as your dropship supplier, and they ship that product directly to the customer. They even provide the tracking number for you. So you literally don't have to do anything other than just collect your profit. That's why Doba Dropshipping and Shopify, the best business model online. And it's a simple 4-step process to do it the right way. And first of all, you see the link directly below this video to get the Doba Dropshipping app. See doba.com. It's got everything that you need to crush it with dropshipping. Step 1 of 4, install the app, right? Very easy, totally free to do. Step 2, and I'm going to show you this over the shoulder in this video, search for products in your niche. In this case, we're going to build a shoe store. We could do men's, women's, unisex, babies, right? All different sizes. I'll show you how to search for that inside of your Doba account. Step 3, all you need to do is just choose winning products that you want to add to your store. And then step 4, simply add those products to your store in one click. I'll show you exactly how to do all this over the shoulder. Super simple when you use the Doba Dropshipping app. So let's jump into it right now. I'll go step by step. Okay, we are inside of my Doba account, and we're looking at the massive Doba Dropshipping catalog. Any product you could imagine, you could dropship here. Highly recommend you check out the TikTok shop selections, the new arrivals, and the premium suppliers section. Get some really great products in there. Also the high profit if you want to do some higher ticket items. A lot of great content on here that they kind of showcase from some of their kind of best selling products and categories. You could search through here. But in our case, we're going to build a shoe store. And of course, you could just search for shoes up here. But there's an entire kind of catalog over here, or catalog collections just for shoes. And as we come through here, of course, we could do men's shoes. We could do unisex shoes. We could do women's shoes. And really, no reason that we couldn't just do all different shoes in our store. And I'm going to go through, in this case, the women's shoe selections and lots of different ways we could filter down here. We've got product research tools like average processing time, refund rate, fulfillment rate, things with free shipping. We could even do price-based filtering. We could filter for things just from the United States. Really easy to do. I'll show you my favorite filter down here by sort, product research, best sellers. Okay, this is going to sort by literally the products that sell the best, so why wouldn't we want to sort this way, right? We could literally see the products sorted by most sales. Really powerful doing it that way. And when we click on any product, let's say these summer sandals, we'll be brought into the product detail page. And it's going to show you the cost for you, right? As a drop shipper with Doba, it's going to cost you $12.63. They recommend that you sell the product for $39.95. Show you the different variants that are in stock, right? Different colors, different sizes, where they ship from, in this case, directly in Texas. Your shipping cost, $5.27. So we're at about, $18? A little bit under $18 all in for a shoe that we could sell for $40. And it's drop shipping, so we'll never touch it. Right? You see the different sizes. You see all the different details over here. Right? Really, really powerful. And when we kind of say, okay, this is a great product, we want to add it to our inventory list. This is basically creating a categorized list. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put in shoes. We're going to create an inventory list of products that we're considering for our Shopify store. And it's going to start recommending other products as well. So you could say, hey, I like these platform sandals, I'll go ahead and add this to my shoes list. Okay, and basically the idea here is that we want to go through, and again, these are our best-selling products. We'll say add to inventory list. Okay, and we'll scroll down and we'll say, you know what, these look good as well. I'm going to add to inventory list. Okay, and you really want to spend some time doing this because this is the basis of your entire product catalog, right? Whatever you could dropship with Doba, you could add into your store. So I'll go over here, add to inventory list. We could do the same thing with those unisex shoes. We could do the same thing with men's shoes. In this case, these are women's pumps. I'm going to go over here, add to store. All right, and you get the idea. We want to build a big inventory list of, in this case, shoes, right? All different style shoes, flip-flops, right? All the different styles that you could ever dream of are available over here. All right, you want to come over and take a look and go back over here. We can go to men's shoes, take a look at some of the selections here. Let's go immediately sort for best sellers. And we got these funny cushioned shoes over here. So we'll go over here, and of course, same thing, add to inventory list. So let's say everything's all good, right? You say, you know, I found some really great products, right? You see the high quality imagery that comes with the products as well, all that great stuff. You say, good. Now it's time for me to add products into my Shopify store. So we'll go over into our inventory list. This is inside of our, in this case, our Doba account, right? Doba account. My products inventory list, you're going to start to see all these different, in this case, shoes that we tagged. Right? And because we installed the Shopify app, our store is connected. Right? Totally free app. You see our Shopify store is connected. If you haven't already connected, just click Connect a New Store. Select Shopify and it will bring you over to install that free app. Really important to do this because now it has everything connected within one click. Because now that we come over here to our inventory list, right, we're going to, in this case, I'm going to select, well, we have all products, but I'm going to select these ultra cushioned bubble sliders. Okay, we're just going to literally select the checkbox. Okay, and you can do multiple products at once if you want. Just going to keep it simple over here. And we're going to click List to Store. You can click it under Actions or you can click List to Store. And you might have multiple stores selected, so make sure you select the right Shopify store. And we're going to click Continue. And what we see now is the product creation page. And we have product, description, variants, and images, just like any other Shopify product would. And a really cool thing that I love to use is the AI Optimizer. It's going to give you 3 different variations of product title over here. I'm going to go with this middle one. See, it replaces it automatically. You could add tags, type, and condition if you use that in your, or collection if you use that in your store. We've got the description. It's automatically pulled from the product detail page. We could also add stuff too. We say your new favorite slippers. We can go over here and we could bold it and underline it and do whatever we want. All this information automatically pulled. You could even use AI Optimizer, but oftentimes you're just going to be able to just go with exactly what they provide from the product detail page. We now have our variants, okay, and this is super important, especially with shoes, right? We're going to want to have different sizes over here, and you see that we have different variants based on color and size, okay, and each different variant will have its own price, and you see what it's going to cost us in terms of Doba price and shipping, right? $12.43 shipped for free, so it's going to cost us about $12.50 to get this product out to our customers. We're going to sell it for at least $29.99, right? And you see our profit, $17.56. But maybe you don't want to have all these variants. Maybe you think there's just too many, right? Maybe you just want to go with, I don't know, purple, right? We could literally just uncheck them all and we can go say, okay, I'm going to go purple. I'll go that size purple and this one and that one, right? Sometimes you can give too many options. Right? Maybe you just want to do 2 colors. Maybe you want to do 3 colors. Totally your choice, right? Maybe you want to add, how about we add black in there, right? That's a pretty easy choice for people to select, common color. And then of course we want to put in our price over here for each of the variants that we're using. Save yourself some time. You don't need to change the other variants that you're not using. If you want to just give all the options, feel free. But like I said, I think it's smart to curate this. Give your customers exactly what you think they want. So we have our prices here. You see $17.56 profit. Now we have images here. We're going to uncheck this because of course we only want to have our purple and our black because those are the ones that are getting pushed over there. And that looks pretty good. Got some of these automatically selected. Yeah, like that one as well. Okay, so we've got our images, we've got our variants, we've got our description, we've got our AI generated title. We're going to press list now. And this is the best part about this. This product is being sent into Shopify. We don't need to right click and save any images. We don't need to copy and paste. We don't even need to go to Shopify and click add new product. All of it is being done right here. You see it says the product is being listed to the store. All those different variants, the different sizes, the different colors, the imagery, the description, right? All going into our Shopify store. And because we did it through the app, when someone purchases this product, it's going to automatically show up under My Orders. And anything in the My Orders section gets done with automatic fulfillment. So you don't need to go and pick up the phone and call Doba. You don't need to click any buttons. Automatically, when someone buys these premium bubble slippers, Doba's going to get the order information, their name, their address, what they purchased, and they're going to ship the product out to the customer. They're even going to provide the tracking number on your behalf. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy those profits. And again, this works automatically because you're doing it through the Doba app. So I'm going to go inside my Shopify store and I'm going to show you this exact product. And literally here it is right in front of you, premium bubble slippers. And in this case, we have our different color variants, right? We have purple, we have black, we have different sizes over here as well. We have all of the images, we have that product description, we have the individual images from the product description as well. Everything sent over. Couldn't be any easier. We have our variants that we selected and sizes. So when someone goes ahead and adds this product to cart, just like any other product, right, the fulfillment will happen automatically. We'll get paid $29.99. And in the background, Doba will start the fulfillment process. We don't need to do anything. That's why Doba is so powerful. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store. Add them. Everything's automated. Literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba, so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.